Outlaw.
Outlaw.
Cotton herb. Yeah. Can you put the cheese on and toast it first? Provolone.
Let's be doing.
Let me just do the lettuce pickle, a little bit of the sweet onion. You don't have a steak? Just a
Pardon?
kind of a steak?
Yeah.
Do a lettuce pickle. What else?
Sweet onion teriyaki. And then just a little bit of ranch. Get that done, sir.
Very good.
Oh, that's perfect. You want those with the onion peppers?
Yeah. Lots of onions. A little more. Okay.
You want to make that coffee?
Honey mustard, chicken wrap.
Oh, can you heat it up?
Yes, sir. Shredded.
Sound very good.
How you doing, man?
Okay. Can you put a little more onions on there? Okay. Spread it out to the end. That'd be good. All right. Black olives. Banana peppers. And jalapenos. A lot of it. A little more. Cucumbers. And yellow mustard.
Let's just put the run again there.
Sir?
Do you want that bread heated up a little bit?
Yeah, I need to do that.
It's just
That's
whatever
fine.
you want.
Yes, ma'am. I'm spinach, tomato, onion, and bell pepper.
He's good.
Hey, you can get your chips again. We'll just replace it all for you.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
All right. Thank you. For all you haters out there, look what I got today. Another episode of Subway. For all you haters out there, please leave a comment if you like this video. Thank you for your time. Be safe out there.